More Vim More Gym! You type :split to split the terminal in Vim. It's useful to script. You can type VS to vertically split if you want to do it the other way. More Vim More Gym. Range of motion is full. You can type :turn to open the terminal inside of Vim. How cool is that? Vim has built-in help. You can type :help and it will open it in a split. Yeah, boy. You can type help split for more info on splitting. I need help. Ooh. Lightweight, baby. Straight. You can also type help Holy Grail for some, oh dear. For a little meme.
I've lost brain power.
More Vim More Gym, friends.